Imagine if the critical break carries on after the 1st of June, for another month, year, or forever. But doctors say it's much worse. A major event got cancelled, a building got evacuated, a city got locked down for a month. Hundreds of businesses collapsed. But for others, technology has stepped in to bridge the gap. The role of the office has changed significantly. Where we work, how we work, has changed beyond recognition.
All right, office log 3,546. Whoa. Back in the office again. Just watered the plants. They're looking pretty good. You know, I really admire the work that you guys do. You really create value. I've just been coming to this office for too long. I'm writing reports that no one's reading. I fixed the server. The server's so smart it can fix itself. Who am I kidding? Everything is automated these days. If there's one thing that I really enjoyed from my job, it was coming to the office and maintaining this tangible space, hoping that we were going to be able to see each other again for real, you know? But I fear it's not going to happen. It's about time I pursued my own journey. That's actually why I came in today. To say farewell. It's my last day. I hear that they're finally offering applications for Bitopolis in the green zone. I've always wanted to go. No social distancing, no masks. It's just like it was in the old days. I've been here for 3 years, and I haven't met anyone for 2. After the great lockdown. I've forgotten most of the names. Chris, I remember you used to sit here, but only because your octopus is still around. Jenny, I can see from the screens your educational game is looking great, but I don't remember what you look like. And Mel? I never even met you, Mel. Are you a real person? If you are a real person, just stop your work for 1 minute so we can meet face to face. It's so good to finally see you all again. But this isn't enough for me. Take care, look after yourselves, and hopefully we will see each other one day again.